Good morning, boys and girls. You know that sexual reproductions of the flowering plant. Sexual reproductions of the flowering plant. Today we are going to discussing about an important chapter is sexual reproductions of a flowering plant. Already, the sexual reproductions of the flowering plant is maximum completed. Girls' side, but in boys' side, only 3 classes are also completed. Now, once again we are going to discussing about an important chapter is sexual reproductions of the flowering plant. All flowering plant shows sexual reproduction. First of all, what is the definitions of sexual reproduction? The fusion of male and female gametes is called sexual reproduction. Here, in our NCERT textbook, some important concept is given. Now, we will going to discussing that important concept. All flowering plant shows sexual reproduction. Next one, a look at the diversity of structure of inflorescence, flower and floral parts shows an amazing range of adaptation to ensure the end product of sexual reproduction is seeds and fruits. In our NCERT textbook mentioned one of the important definition that definition explain regarding of embryology. What is meant by embryology? This is nothing but NCERT definition. Let us understand the morphology, structure and the process of sexual reproduction of flowering plant. This branch of biology, this branch of botany is called embryology. This is one more definition. That definition also explains the embryology. It is a branch of biology that deals with study of male and female gametophytes, formations of the gametes, process of fertilization, and formations of embryo, endosperm, and seeds. It is also one more definitions of embryology. Both definitions are also same. This is the NCERT textbook definition. This is also another definition. Both definitions are explain the only embryology. Next one, flowers are fascinating range of angiosperms. Flowers are fascinating range of angiosperms. Human beings have had an intimate relationship with flowers since time immemorial. Immemorial means ancient time. Flowers are an objects of aesthetic, social, ornamental, religious, cultural value. They have always been used as symbol of conveying the important human feelings such as love, happiness, grief and mourning. What is meant by aesthetic? Aesthetic means kalatmakamaina, kala sambandhamaina. You know that social, you know that religious, you know that ornamental, you know that cultural value, and also used as conveying the important human feelings such as love, happiness and grief. Grief means sadness and mourning. Deep sadness means nothing but mourning. Generally, here you know that different types of the ornamental plants. The type of the ornamental plants are grown in our home, grown in our gardens. You know that different types of the ornamental plants. Next one, have you heard of floriculture? What is the definitions of the floriculture? What is the definitions of the floriculture? Cultivations of ornamental plants is called floriculture. Cultivations of ornamental plants is called floriculture. This is one definition. One more definition: the branch of growing and marketing of ornamental plants is called floriculture. The branch of growing and marketing of ornamental plants is called floriculture. Next one, flowers are morphological and embryological. Morphological, embryological marbles and the sites of sexual reproduction. Next one, in our NCERT textbook, given to one of the diagram, that diagram represent the floral parts of the flower.